Run away.
Sister in the world. I put time and effort into you, okay? And if you can't appreciate that, okay, you can't see what I'm doing for you. I'm gonna put it under my tree. I'll show you my tree as well. I'm going to. Oh wait, there's string to wrap it there. Bombs. There we go. There we go. That used to just me saying Merry Christmas to people.
Well, Syndicate just gave me an amazing idea. So, I have this gift. You actually saw it like a second ago. Got this gift for the White Elephant Junior class event party thing, and yeah, it was $5.29, limit of $5, but I can go over a little bit, and it was $5.29, and I just kind of pranked my roommate. You couldn't see it. It was kind of dark in there. I didn't want to turn on the light. I'm gonna wrap this just like he did, except mine is probably gonna be a lot different because I have one of these, and I got one of these. I was thinking about double wrapping it. I'm not sure of that stuff, and I got some ribbon, and then I got I should have bought more tape, but I didn't, so I only got 2 of these. Oh, it's enough. I don't know. Let's see if this works. And all credit goes to Syndicate, because I don't want to be like somebody saying, oh, you stole this from Syndicate. Kind of. Not really. I mean, I'm taking his idea and I want to make it my own too. So, yeah. I don't know. Let's just try it. Let's just do it. Let's just go. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. Pad style. Just pad style. Let's go. Come on. Okay. I broke it. I totally broke it. How funny would that be if I was just doing that the whole time when it was in the box? I don't know if this is gonna work. Hopefully it can. I need scissors. I need a lot of scissors. I guess this is like the way you wrap it if you have no time. I mean, it's 5 o'clock right now and I have like loads of time. Party starts at 8. This is doing at 5. So I couldn't find my freaking scissors. So I found my knife. This thing scares me sometimes. But it's nice. It's a nice knife. Ah, man. I gotta find my scissors. This is not gonna work. Okay, we got this. I'm not gonna feel 1/2 bad, whoever gets this. Somewhat presentable. Hold that like that. Screw this, we're just gonna have to go for it. Come on. Work with me. Stop this right now. Freaking Syndicate, if you're watching this, you're a great YouTuber and I love you, but this is for you, Syndicate, and anybody out here. Can I just take this off? This is just ruining everything. Thank you. Who says guys cannot wrap this? That's one. Let's do the other. Yes. This must be like a skill, like a competition. Who can wrap the worst gift ever? Oh no, we forgot about this. I'm gonna rip this. Can I do this? Do you think this is just too inappropriate now? Do you think this is just like too much? Nah, we're gonna do it. It's just too much. I don't know if I can do this. We can put half of it in. So weird. What am I doing? Hold that. Find a way to open this stupid thing. How much did this all cost me? Let's not talk about that. It wasn't a lot. It was like $10-ish. Give or take $5. Why won't this open? Oh man. I need this to freaking open. Alright, sweet. Cool. Ribbon. I didn't watch this part. I skimmed through this video. Okay, okay. So when you do this, you gotta go over like that. Put your finger there. Something happens again, and then you do that. I just need to tie it, and once I get it tied, freaking awesome. Okay, let's do it. Whoever got this video, this is the behind the scenes of how I wrap this gift. Now you're probably wondering, this is a waste of materials. You wouldn't be wrong, it's absolutely a waste. But it's white elephant, so whoever gets this, you better be freaking happy for yourself, because freaking wrapped your awesome gift. Okay. But we're not done yet, folks. Still got another tape. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. It got turned around. Hold on. Oh no. He was dropping the wrong way this whole time. So now it's sticky on the outside. Is that good? I don't know about this now. I'm gonna probably kill myself. Somebody's gonna be like, Pat, there's like outside paper on the back of this. And I'll be like, yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. This thing feels amazing and looks amazing. Hope somebody gets this. Oh my gosh, do I have anything else I can use? This is so much fun. I got these. Can put those on the back. Like, what? It's heavy too, gosh. Alright, sweet. Got these things now I can play around with. Maybe I should do more yarn. You know what, we're not done here yet. Sorry. Freaking, let's do this thing. There's a $5 limit, but I spent more on the freaking wrapping materials. Somebody's gonna get this and be like, I don't want to open this because it looks like... I'm like, well, listen here. I spent a lot of time on it. Do not give me none of that. I mean, once they see it, they're gonna be like, I'll probably leave, you know, just bail out, be like, I'm out of here, you can open that, I'll be out. This is too much. This is way too much. Why did I do this? Did I do it for the lulz? Was it too much lulling for today? Cool. Alright, that's a gift. Freaking awesome. It's a cat paw thing. I don't know why I bought it. I bought it for the lulz. I just sent my friend, do you want to see my gift? And I'm going to send her a picture of this monstrosity. And she just said yes, or yep, as some would say. Signed, it's beautiful. Rise. Boom. Cool. So we're done here. This is it. We got some scotch tape on there. We got some more stuff. I mean, this was like a little bit of time, but oh my goodness, it's so pretty. But yeah, thank you to Pro Syndicate Project for giving me such a good tutorial on how to wrap a perfect gift. Without him, I don't know what it would be without him. So thank you, Pro Syndicate. If I said your name wrong, I am sorry. But yes, beautiful. And I know your video was from a year ago. But yes, anyway, have a good day. And if you want to make a good gift like mine, then follow my tutorial on the YouTubes. Have a good day. And for the person who got my gift, I hope you enjoyed opening it.